Alright guys, welcome back. So we're going to kick off from where we stopped in the last lesson, which is in building our TeamDog HTML website. This is where we stopped the last time and it's already looking good, but I just noticed these headings here, or this list here, we want to do something to it. Okay, so let's make it bigger. Let it look pronounced. So what we can do is, so we can make it H3. All right, and then we can put the mid jack in there. Okay, and just X this and put it in here. So our page is refreshing, and there we go, mid jack. So we can just take this and replace this here. Okay, and also we can replace this guy here too, and then we can put the names back, and John. Okay, yeah, so there we go. This looks much better. Okay, this looks much better. So let's go ahead and build the about us page. All right, so this is an about us page and it looks empty. So what we want to put there is we're gonna take some things from this our home page. All right, we're going to take some things from there. We're just going to take from this image here. How do we want to do it now? Okay, let's go back to our about us page. So in here we can have an anchor tag or link tag, however you want to call it, that is going to link us back to home page. So you can say back to home page. All right, and then in here we can do dot slash, and then we put home there. All right, and we can put, we're going to copy that image that we put in home, this one here, Control C, and just paste it here and save. Let's see what we get. So this is what we get in about us. All right, so if we click back to home page, it's going to take us back to home page, and if we click about us, it's going to take us to about us page. Okay, so let's see, we want there should be a line break in here, br, and just, yeah. And so what we can do here, we can put an arrow here. So if you're using Windows, you can just press the Windows button and press full stop, Windows full stop, and this is what you get the emojis keyboard. Let's see, I'm looking for a particular arrow. Okay, but we can even use this. Let's see, yeah, we can use this. Back to home page, yeah, save this. All right, so, and this is what we get, but I prefer using an arrow. So let's see if we can still get that arrow. No arrows here. Can't find this arrow. Should be around here. Be around here somewhere. Okay, can't seem to find. Okay, I think it's going to be somewhere here. All right, should be somewhere around here. There we go. This is it. Back. There we go. Well, let's see. Let's also add this too. Okay, so you can close this now. Let me see the one that makes more sense. So I think this arrow on makes more sense. So we're just going to remove the two. save. Okay, there we go, back to home page. Yeah, so what else are we going to put in about us? Let's see. So we can have under the image, let's put a line break there, and then let's have a h2 our history. Okay, and then we can have a paragraph where we generate let's say about 100 words. If you save this, it gets formatted by prettier code formatter, and then under this paragraph we can put a horizontal line, and then we can just copy this paragraph and just alt down, no, sorry, alt shift down, and then we can do alt down to take it below HR. Okay, now you save. If those commands, you're struggling with those commands, just copy it the traditional way and don't stress yourself. Okay, yeah, so there we go, this is what we get. And let's see, I think the words are even small. Let's see if we can add more words. Lorem 200, added more words to it. Okay, let's see what we get on about us page. So this is what we get on about us page. So we can just copy, also copy from here and just alt shift down, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, this looks okay. And for about us, I mean like history of how we started the business, how we started the enterprise of Tame Dog, helping dogs find mates. So if you click back to home page, we get back to our home page. Now let's work on our services page. So our services, let's go to our services. We also want to get what we did here. Let's get this link tag from, in fact we're going to get everything here. Okay, our link tag with the image, we're also going to put it here in our services and save. And this is what we get, our services, back to home page. And then under this picture we can then have our services here. So we can have a h2, and we can have services we offer include, and then here we can, we can come out of the h2, and then we can put an ordered list here, and inside the ordered list we can have dog mating, we can have dog treatment, means we can have dog dog therapy, we can have dog fashion, and then we can have dog education, or let's just put training, right? Training, you want to train your dog, we can train your dog for you. All right, to save this and let's see what we get. Services we offer include beautiful. All right, so actually let's use an unordered list for it. Unordered list, so just change the OL to UL, and there we go. Services we offer include dog mating, dog treatment, dog therapy, fashion, training. So we're done with our services page. You can go back to your home page. Now the last one is our contact us page. Okay, so let's work on our contact us page. What do we want to put here? So let's see, let's take our anchor tag and our image, back to contact us. All right, so we're going to remove this one from here. We can put, let's just put get in touch with us here. touch with us and save. Let's see what we get here. Get in touch with us, and then under this image we can have h2 that says register here, and then we can have our form element. I'm going to remove the action attributes, and then in here we can put, what do we put now? Let's just put an input, and the input is going to be of text, and our placeholder is going to be enter your first name. Okay, and we're going to have another input, alt shift down, and we're just going to change here to last. Okay, enter your last name, but in between we want to have two BRs, sorry, BR and another BR, save, then BR, under last name we're going to have email. Okay, so we're going to have another input, but this time the value for the type attribute is going to be email. Okay, and then we can have a placeholder where we can put enter a valid email. Okay, and then we can use the required attributes for HTML, required attribute, so that we can have some form of validation there. So now we can have BR, and then the final one is definitely going to be password, but the value of the text attribute is going to be password, and then we can put our placeholder and say enter your password. Okay, and then we can also put the required attributes. There we go. And then finally we can have, for the button submit, let's have two BRs, and then we have our button where we put submit. Okay, save. Let's see what we get on contact us page. There we go. We have get in touch with us, back to home page, our banner, and then we have register here, or you can put, let's put register with us and get a mate for your pet dog. That's it. Hooray. There we go. So you put in your first name, last name, valid email, password, press submit. You can see we have that. This is because of the required attribute we added. You press submit. It's going to tell you please fill out this field. There we go. We have our HTML website. Here's our ThinkDog website. So yeah, we have our ThinkDog website. Everything is done. We have potential mates for your dogs. In our about us page, we have about us, our history. You can go back to home page, and you can view our services page where you see the services we offer. Back to home page, and you can see contact us where we have a form where you can register with us. So that's it, guys. This is our HTML website. That is everything about HTML. I believe you've learned so much. You've learned a lot, in the next module we're going to learn about CSS and how we can make this website look more beautiful to the users using CSS. So make sure you practice, try and build your own website that looks similar to this, so you can get familiar with these HTML tags and elements. Okay, see you guys in the next module. Thank you guys for staying through out this module. Cheers, wish you the best of luck. All right, so see you in the next module.